Okay, so this is part 2 on how I manifested watching Taylor Swift at the Eras Tour. So anyway, we get to the venue, scan the tickets, and it was green. I will never forget it, like when it turned green, because I looked at the person that scanned my tickets. I was like, please work, please work. And she looked at me and she's like, enjoy the show. And I was like, what the fuck? And so we got to our seat, and like I was not expecting the seat to be honestly really good view. Like I got restricted view, which means I can't see the screen in front, like the screen that's like in front of the stage. But I got like a side view, but it was totally fine because it was not bad at all. I could still see her. Like I was at the top, but I could still see her. Obviously, I could see the screen. And anyway, sat down and literally I just like, I started crying because I was like, I cannot believe I asked for this and it's here. And I was just like in awe of the entire journey where I was like, I just didn't know how it was going to happen. And this is why it's sort of like we're not supposed to know the how. We're not supposed to know how things are going to work out, but things are just going to work out. Like one of my affirmations that I say is, I always get exactly what I want or something better. Like if I don't get exactly what I want, I just know something better is going to come. Anyway, I had the time of my life. Like it was one of the best concerts that I've ever attended. Like it was amazing. And I just started to think about the whole process, how I'm like, wow, I just had a deep knowing and I just trusted and I just surrendered. The whole point of the manifestation journey is to not know everything. I didn't know that my friend was going to get me a ticket that morning. I didn't know that I was going to get a ticket from like a third party seller, something that I've always told myself like, oh, I would never do because I already got scammed once. I didn't know that I was going to be on the same flight as one of my best friends. And she's like, I already booked a hotel. It's 5 stars. Just stay with me for free. Like, I didn't know any of this. Like, I couldn't even imagine it happening the way that it actually did. So it's like everything just happened so perfectly. And I wanted to share this story because I shared it on my Instagram and I got so many people like replied to me and they were like, you know, this is so inspiring because they know how much I have been trying to get into a Taylor Swift Eras Tour concert. So they were like, I can't believe you made it. Like even people that never replied to my story was like, what a twist. Like we knew that you had to go, but we just didn't know how it was gonna happen. I just wanted to share the story to let you guys know that you can have what you desire. It requires a deep knowing and like a deep faith. And like I literally have a module in my course, Become Magnetic, which you should totally join, that is all about this. Like it's all about that deep knowing, like how to have that deep faith where it's like, I don't care like how I'm gonna get it, but I am gonna get it. Like I am going to receive my desire. And it's about sitting and like standing in your power, in your knowing, and having that faith that everything is just gonna work out. And obviously my story is about a concert, but it could literally be about anything. It could be, you know, health or like money or like people, you know, like specific person. I have so many people on my page that are like, can I manifest this and that? And I'm like, stop asking me. Like you can literally manifest anything, you know? But yeah, thank you so much for watching 2 parts of this, or 3 parts, who knows, right? Because I've been talking for a long time. But let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Let me know if you love Taylor Swift as well, or if you went to the Eras Tour as well. What was your experience? I would love to kind of share that with you guys. But thank you for watching and follow for more. I love sharing like these little manifestation stories. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.